This is HONOR Magic5 Lite, and today I will show how you can check your mobile phone number on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings. Onwards, enter the mobile network category, then SIM management, and as you can see, you can look at your displayed phone numbers below the SIM or next to the SIM1 and SIM2 icons. Or you can also check the phone number by entering the About Phone category, then going for the status, and then open the network. And over here, the following network page is split between SIM1 and SIM2 and also shows your phone number right over there. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.